Hello fellow quarantined people. This is day 3 of the quarantine and I've decided to do a little cooking show for you. This is going to be weird. It's going to be one of the more weird videos or video sets that I put up due to the fact that I'm doing this in a couple of parts. For now, I'm introducing what I'm doing. I'm making an oxtail. Yes, oxtail potjie. Potjie would be outdoor stew kind of thing. It's just a little quick video. Fire's going, dogs are going crazy. It's a stew in a cast iron pot. Or if you're from South Africa, it's a potjie. That's it, potjie. So I'm going to do this in a couple of steps. So this is step 1, obviously. Introduction and step 1. Introduction, beef, stew, potjie thing. Step 1. Make a fire, get a pot. So I'm going to do this, and every update I do after this is going to be some of the ingredients, some of the steps, and just showing you exactly step by step how we get into this. You will be hearing some music in the background. I'm not monetized yet, so I don't really care. So if you like this playlist, show it to your friends, share it to some other people. Let's get this potjie recipe going around the world and see how many people actually enjoy eating good food. So that's that for now. See you in a bit.